Okay, so I'm gonna do a review here on this Portland pressure washer from Harbor Freight. And it has 1750 psi here, as you can see. Overall though, I've already used it, and it was $100, but I got the 20% off coupon, so it was a little cheaper. And I mean, you can't beat it for $100. Is pretty much the review. And because it costs about $50 to rent a pressure washer from Home Depot for 1 day, so what, you get 2 days, and then that's as much as this pressure washer. So I mean, it's a great deal. Some pressure washers are close to $400 and all, so you really can't beat it. It's electric, and the assembly is pretty easy. All you have to do is put there's 4 screws that go in the back here, 2 screws go here, and then 2 go down low here, and you take and that puts the handle on, and the assembly after that is easy. This all comes together. You don't have to mess with that. And this spray nozzle over here, it's just a quick little assembly right here. You just have to twist it and it should come off like that. Right, and that's all you do. And then you can see the tip here. I'll show you later. There's actually 2 settings on this tip, and all you do with that is just twist it like this, and it'll do a pencil spray and then a wide spray if you twist it the other way. And I'll show you the spread pattern. It's really great. As you can see here, I tested it on the concrete, and that was the old there, moldy. It was kind of a slip hazard sometimes when it rains, because it's real slick, so you have to pressure wash it to make it like that. But I tested it, as you can see, and it's real nice. It's got it turns it white, so and that was actually with the wide spray. You just got to get up close. Anyway, as I try to get this on one-handed, it's kind of difficult, but there we go. Okay, and this nozzle spray gun does have a safety, you could call it, because you can squeeze the trigger when you take that off right there, and then when you press it in, you can't squeeze it. So I really like that feature. Can't hurt. I mean, it's a bonus pretty much, so that's good. And then this, you have to push in to secure this hose right here to the actual gun, and it never comes off, that's for sure. That just slides out of the way. That's a little plastic piece, but yeah, it never comes off, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, and let me show you one more thing here. So I attached the hose here to the back. You don't really need Teflon tape for it. It doesn't leak. That's just some water there from when I sprayed out the nozzle, because you do have to spray the nozzle to get clean all the water out. If you ever winterize this thing, I think if you live up in the north or something, you can put some antifreeze in here, but I don't really have to worry about that. And then you just connect this end to there, and that's the most difficult part. So let me show you the electricity setup. It has quite a range, as you can see. Here's the cable. It goes all the way, man, I don't know how many feet, probably 25 feet at least. It has more than enough. And here is the cable. If you have an external socket, it can be a pain, but the internal's fine. And if you get an extender, a socket extender, you know, for outside outlets that have a flap on them, then I think it just worked fine for you. And you have two buttons here. I don't know if you can see, but this bottom one's the test button. I've no idea what that does. Maybe if you hold it down and you have the pressure washer on, it might work for a second if you want to. I don't know what that does, but if you hit the reset button, it should work, because I was having a problem figuring out how to turn this thing on, and I had the hose, you know, the water pressure was on here, and it wasn't running when I squeezed the trigger, but all you had to do was hit that reset button. And let me just walk you over here, and I'm gonna turn this hose on here. You gotta put the pressure to the max there, as much as it'll go, because you want the maximum pressure here. And so yep, water's coming to here. I can turn this on, and there you can see it's not turning on because the motor, you can't hear the motor. So I'm gonna go back in here and hit that reset button, the top one. There we go, and it should turn red. As you can see, that means it's working, that means it's on. Close this door here so the bugs don't get in. And then I'm gonna wear my safety glasses just in case. And I do have some boots on and long socks, because I really don't want to lose a toe here, so I'd suggest that, actually. And let's test this bad boy. I wrote my sister's name here she had graduation party, so I just was joking around there. And then let me show you how it works then, shall we? So here's the wide spray. Yep, that's the wide spray. It works great. And then I'll switch it to the pencil here. And that works great as well. And I can really feel it hitting my legs there, so I've got to be more careful with it. So I do want to show you that it can, the wide spray can remove the pencil spray. That's what I was testing over there. And so I'll just show you again here. Oh, sorry, I didn't switch it back here. Okay, it's on the wide spray again. And as you can see, it works fine. If you do the pencil spray and then the wide spray, at least on concrete it does. You just have to get real close up to it. I'll show you the distance I was to the ground is about this far. I'd say about this high off the ground, so. Yep, you really have to get close there, but it does work. And that's my review here. I can see it's coming up on 10 minutes, so I'm gonna stop the video here. And thank you for watching. That's about it. All right, see you. Dang, you can really see the difference here. It's a night and day difference between that. And yeah, this part is slippy and this part's not. But by using this thing so far, I discovered, you know, if you're using it for longer than 10 or 20 minutes, you should, I mean, it helps to have some ear protection. And I was having some fun with it here. Let me show you this. Huh. The mist is really cool. But let me show you here, just taking off this little part here. It's just a lot better.